Hello and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. I'm here currently on the short-term chart and the market dipped back into our micro support area. I mean, what can I say? The market is quite boring at the moment. I know that. If you are bored of Bitcoin and crypto, I can also recommend that you check out our stocks channel. Some of you might not even know that it exists. We have a whole network of channels. The MCO Global Equities and Commodities channel covers gold, silver, a lot of other asset classes as well. So feel free to check it out. I put the link in the comment section for you. I know a lot of you guys are moving over there temporarily, at least, because the crypto sector is really, really boring. Yeah, it is really boring just showing you that because, you know, Bitcoin is just not doing much. But anyway, you know, at some point it'll break out. It's just at an absolutely important space, absolutely important spot down there in this area around 100K. It's not, to me, not surprising at all that we spend some time in the 100K region because it's psychological support. Yeah, we have reached key support on the weekly RSI. I mean, we talked about that on the MCO Global channel, right? In case you don't know that one, feel free to join it. But I cover on nearly on a daily basis the larger time frame over there. Yeah. So I just wanted to show you we've got the 55 weekly exponential moving average in that area around 99K. So that comes into play. Then this red trend line. Then we've got the stochastic RSI oversold on the weekly, guys. We've got the weekly RSI in a support zone around 43, 44. What else do we have? Oh, there are many other things that I probably forgot about now. Oh, yeah, the fear and greed index, right? Fear and greed index seems, yeah, I don't want to say oversold. You know what I mean, right? It shows extreme fear at the moment. So it's just an absolutely important area down there, and the 100K level psychological support. It's just like it's not really a make or break point, but it's just a very, very important area of interest. Oh yeah, the death cross as well coming in, right? Talked about that yesterday in a video. Death cross in this cycle has usually been bullish, funny enough. Yeah, not necessarily in previous cycles, but because this cycle has had such the pullbacks when the death cross happened, it was typically time for the market to reverse because it was oversold, right? So yeah, a lot of indicators pointing here to a bottom, but they're just indicators. Price action always needs to confirm, and that's why we use Elliott Wave. Yeah, so we can use Elliott Wave for context, we can use a lot of indicators for context, but actual price action always needs to confirm. So if we're looking here at the shorter time frame for BTC, then you can see, yeah, that we're just ranging at the moment between resistance, which is between $107,310 and $112,400. It's our Fibonacci resistance area. We've got micro support for the week, which is still holding between 107,744 and 103,157. Let me remove that upper section. We don't need it anymore. And because we have a three-wave move down from the Tuesday high, I can still see it as a B-wave pullback, which could result in a C-wave bounce. So again, I mentioned in the last video, I'm not convinced that we'll go higher, and I don't really have a direct, let's say, high probability setup for higher prices from here, because we just simply haven't seen any five-wave advance. But anything is possible in markets. But in the short term, I'm watching here this area for a bounce because it's support again, the lows of last week. Yeah, I'm watching them because the buyers could step in here, drive the price first into this micro resistance area, which I added to the chart today. It's between 103,678 and 106,160. And if we get rejected there, we could start the next leg down. Yeah. But if we break through it, that opens the door to a larger bounce into the upper resistance area. But this is basically just range-bound movement, basically literally just noise. So any changes, obviously I will let you know about, but this is pretty boring price action. But again, not surprising. We just have to deal with it. We are basically at a key pivot. So I keep you updated Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And yeah, if, by the way, if you're interested in finding out more about those indicators, just before this video, I uploaded a separate video on X about all those indicators that I mentioned in detail, 12 minutes long, not here on YouTube on this channel. So check it out if you're interested. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.